Here with Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural. How's the Dalby sale today, Dan?
Thanks, Sam. Today, combined 8 showed a total of 9,215 head, up 1,937 head, 7,500 of those being heavier cattle. Now for your quotes.
Bullock 600 kg plus 440 to 447, average 444, back 5. Heavy feeder steers 4 to 500 kg, 440 to 526 to average 504, back 16. Heavy feeder heifers 4 to 500 kg, 402 to 490 to average 449, back 10. Heavy prime cows 520 kg plus, 370 to 410 to average 403, firm on last week. Medium cow 4 to 500 kg, 352 to 395 to average 376, back 13. Store cows up to 400 kg, 195 to 310 to average 294, firm on last week. Heavy bulls 379 to 432 to average 417, up 8 cents. Light bulls 400 to 456 to average 439, up 18 cents. Yearling steers 3 to 400 kg, 426 to 546 to average 510, up 2. Yearling feeder heifer 3 to 400 kg, 388 to 490 to average 437, back 33 cents. Weaner steers 2 to 280 kg, range 454 to 596 to average 530, firm on last week. Weaner heifers 2 to 280 kg, 360 to 478 to average 427, up 23.
This has been Dan Dwyer with this week's Dalby Market Report. Next week, Eastern Rural are selling in second position, so get your bookings in nice and early.